In this video, we will be doing a proof with a rhombus. First, a rhombus has all congruent sides and opposite sides are parallel. That's the main properties of a rhombus. Use this fact to prove that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular. So first, all sides of a rhombus are congruent and opposite sides of a rhombus are parallel on the diagram. We will be going through the proof here and marking it on the diagram here. First, XCVZ is a rhombus given all of these sides are congruent. We've already marked that. Opposite sides are parallel. We've marked that as well. Definition of a rhombus. Because there will be a lot of markings on the diagram, we will do the next ones in red. Angle ZVX is congruent to angle CXV. Opposite interior angles of parallel lines are congruent. So angle ZVX right there is congruent to angle CXV right there. And then angle VZC is congruent to angle XCV. Same reason. Angle VZC is congruent to angle XCZ right there. Alternate interior angles of parallel lines are congruent. So now you'll see that we have ASA right here. So next, triangle ZBV is congruent to triangle CBX, ASA, angle side angle. From there, ZB and CB are congruent, and then VB and XB are congruent. CPCTC for both corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So ZB is congruent to CB, and then XB is congruent to VB. From there, you can see that all four triangles are congruent. We have side, 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 and side, side, side. Take a second and convince yourself that all of the interior triangles here are congruent. SSS, side, side, side. So now from here, we're going to start in green because, again, there's a lot of markings on the diagram. Angle XBZ is congruent to angle ZBV, CPCTC, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So angle XBZ right there is congruent to angle ZBV over here. Those are congruent, CPCTC. And you'll notice that XBV is a straight angle, bringing us to the next line. Angle XBZ and angle ZBV are right angles. If angles are supplementary and congruent, then they are right angles. We will take off the congruent angle markings and make these right angle markings. And XV is perpendicular to ZC. XV is perpendicular to ZC because if lines form right angles, then they are perpendicular. And that is our proof. It's an involved proof, but very, very doable.